Hey, this is Patrina from Kernel. I have a great ninja tip for you for how MSL teams can help ensure that insights drive strategy and are used for internal strategic decision making. This week's tip is about having a mechanism for MSLs to report urgent, time-sensitive insights. So this is not about replacing your existing insights tool or your CRM. It's for those things that are really time-sensitive and need to be acted on immediately. If you're on a monthly or quarterly reporting cycle, this might not be fast enough. The company might need to make a decision sooner than that. So create some kind of mechanism on your team that the MSLs know about for reporting these urgent insights, and make it very clear what constitutes an important or urgent insight as well. So go over to my tip of the week for some detailed or ideas on how your team could elevate these urgent insights. And if you have something that's been working well on your team, please share. Thanks for listening and see you next week.